Hi, this is Furkan from SAVONT, and today I would like to show you the SAVONT Traveler soap box. So when you just use your soap in a hotel, for example here in the bathtub, the soap will be wet, and when you put it into a soap box, it will stick to the bottom. So what we did with the SAVONT soap box, you can take our jumbo, and actually when you buy the SAVONT Traveler, the jumbo will be already inside. And then you can take your soap, and you have already your soap plate here. You can put it into the box, and it will float inside the box. It will have no contact to the wall of the soap box, and it can dry completely. So when you arrive at home, just take your soap out, and it will be dry. SAVONT, let soap float.